friends, I have another BULLYMAKE box for you. This is my second one. This is what it looks like when you open it. It looks like it is like under the sea themed. You liked it? And okay. So we got a larger BULLYMAKE or ballistic toy, and this is what the regular looks like. And I get an extra toy because I got that promo right when I ordered, so I get an extra toy for the life of my subscription. You like those, baby? Yeah? You want that one? Yeah? Here is the rubber toy. It comes with the hole to put the toys or the treats in. They're very durable, and it has the cute little BULLYMAKE logo on it with the little pooch on it. They're cute. You want this one, puppy? You want this one? Come here. You want that? No? Okay, next we have BULLYMAKE Starfish Healthy Dog Treats. 1 treat for 10 pounds. It has chicken, potato flour, vegetable glycerin, tapioca starch, bacon fat, gelatin, lecithin, natural flavors, preserved with citric acid, preserved with potassium sorbate, preserved with mixed tocopherols. I don't know what that is. Do you want this, baby? Whoa, they're cute little starfish. Those little stars. Here, you want this, baby? Do you like it? Do you like it? He likes it. And then we have totally grainless sausage bites made with chicken and cranberries. This one has potato flour, chicken, cranberries, vegetable glycerin, gelatin, potato starch, chicken broth, lecithin, vegetable oil, natural smoke flavor, natural apple flavor, preserved with citric acid, potassium sorbate, and mixed tocopherols. So same as the other one, but here's what they look like. And then we have BULLYMAKE shark fins. And this one, it's pretty much the same, but it has salmon in it, whitefish, natural smoke flavor, and then everything else is pretty much the same as the others. 1 treat for 10 pounds. Thor. And these are just little fin shapes. You want that? You want that, huh? You want that? Good boy. I will be getting one more box, but I did cancel because he tears up the ballistic really fast. He won't play with the nylon, and the rubber ones just don't interest him that much. So we won't be getting any more after the next one. But he does really like the treats and the ballistics. But anyways, see you later. Bye.